Tired of staring at the same old boring candlesticks and struggling to make sense of the market on your phone? Then get ready to transform your mobile trading experience, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the color of your candles on the TradingView mobile app, step by glorious step. First things first, let's open the TradingView app and navigate to the chart you want to customize. Once you're looking at your chart, find the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear, and it's typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Okay, now that you're in the settings menu, look for either appearance or symbols. The name might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it's the section where you can tweak the visual elements of your chart. Tap on it to proceed. Great. Now you should see options for customizing different parts of your candlesticks. You'll typically find settings for the body, borders, and wicks. Under each of these, you'll see color palettes or color selection boxes for both bullish, that's the upward moving, usually green or blue, and bearish, downward moving, typically red candles. This is where the fun begins. Tap on the color box for the specific part of the candlestick. For example, the body of the bullish candle, and a color palette will pop up. You can choose a color directly from the palette, or for more precise control, you might even be able to enter a specific hexadecimal color code. Select the color you want. Repeat this process for all the parts of the candlesticks you want to customize: the bodies, borders, and wicks of both bullish and bearish candles. Experiment with different colors until you find a combination that works best for your eyes and trading style. Once you're happy with your new color scheme, be sure to tap OK, Save, or whatever confirmation button is available to save your changes, and that's it. Your customized candlestick colors will now be applied to all your charts within the TradingView mobile app. Enjoy a more personalized and visually clear trading experience.